Hello students, good day. Welcome to standard 2. Now let's start for the computer subject. That is lesson number 1, more on computer. Let's start reading. What is a computer? Various tasks performed on a computer. A computer is an electronic device which is used to perform various tasks. On a computer, you can do calculations, draw and color pictures, play games, store a number of documents, listen to songs and watch movies, draw designs for buildings, machines, greeting cards, etc. Computers have become an essential part of our everyday life. Because of their multi-utility features, we see people using computers at many places. For example, at railway stations, at bank, at school, at hospitals. Types of computers. Do you know computers have been classified mainly into 3 categories? Read about them. First, desktop computer. The word desktop denoted top of a desk or table. A computer which is kept on a table is called a desktop computer. Second, laptop computer. A computer which is kept on a lap while working on it is called a laptop computer. It contains a battery inside it. We have to charge its battery like our cell phones. It is portable. That can be taken anywhere easily. Also, it is called a notebook computer. Palm top computer. You can work on this computer by keeping it on your palm. It could be kept even in your pocket. It is smaller than a laptop. It contains a battery inside it. Once its battery is charged, you can take it anywhere easily to work with it. Good to know. Desktop, laptop and palm-top computers are known as PCs. PC stand for personal computer. They are called personal computers because they are made for personal use. Supercomputer. This is a huge computer. Supercomputers are used in big offices and government departments. Supercomputer works faster than any other type of computer. Comparison between human beings and computers. Thought: computers have been invented by human beings, yet computers work more efficiently than human beings do. Now, let us see how computers are ahead of human beings. A computer is very fast at work. It performs all functions quickly and accurately. Human beings are slower in their work as compared to a computer. A computer does not make mistakes on its own, whereas every human being makes mistakes. A computer works tirelessly. Human beings get tired after working for some time. A computer has a huge memory. Human beings have small memory. A computer stores a lot of information and does not forget it, whereas humans have a tendency to forget and a limitation to retain information in their mind. But in some ways, human beings are superior to computers. Human beings have brain and power to think unlike a computer. Humans can take decisions on their own, but a computer cannot do so. Humans do not need electric supply to work, while a computer runs on electricity. Human beings work on their own, but a computer works according to their instructions given by human beings. Summary: a computer is an electronic device which is used to perform various tasks. Desktop, laptop, and palm top are the three main types of PCs. PC stands for personal computer. A supercomputer is a huge computer which is used in big office and government departments. A computer is far ahead of human beings, but in some ways it is far behind. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe the video.